Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Demarco and Malie Donn. Never see the collab forward in there. We're going to react to it. Malie Donn and Demarco, Draco. So, when you ever see Demarco put up a post, say, I'm ready for your clash, So, if you see him drop this, I'm supposing it's a gun song. It's good. So, we're going to jump into that one here and hear what the G them has say. Big up the G them. But before we do that, we have to do this. Sorry to cut your reactions video, but this video is to promote what I'm doing this month. So this month is November, my month, Scorpio month. I am doing a special price for promotion. So young artists out there that need promotion for their songs, to put their songs on the platform, reach out, link me on my DM. Link is in the description to my Instagram, or just type in Jamaica_verse_gamer. Reach out and we can talk. So we have price for 1 video, 2 video, 3 video, and 4 video. So link up to get the prices and we can work out something. You understand? So let's get back to the video. Alright, now that's done, let's get into it. Let's go.
Yeah, man, not chat, no pussy, they say that.
None!
From a there, that dirty, that. We're gonna bumbo club,
we're not afraid of people.
No chat.
Like them forget, come on fight them, fight man the rep. But I go fly like kite one select. Tap that song again.
People don't know the caliber artist, how talented Demarco is. People don't know. People don't know the amount of rhythm that Demarco make in the music business. The amount of song when produce. People don't know none of them something there. You see me? All around talent, Demarco. No chat.
Like them forget, come on fight them, fight man the rep. But I go fly like kite one select. Not even 9 no man for step. Turn it in a twilight, no one regret.
Look at them forget. Look at that. Yo, this bad you fuck and it just start. Just start and it bad.
Like them forget, come on fight them, fight man the rep. But
enough fight him get, you know. The boss tell us enough fight him get direct fight. Not indirect, not sub, no. Direct.
Like them forget, come on fight them, fight man the rep. But I go fly like kite one select. Not even 9 no man for step. Turn it in a twilight, no one regret. This a wildlife, wake up on the set. Quack, get the vines, find no one for catch. Draco no fire blind, blood a gush from your flesh. We're not afraid.
Draco no fire blind, blood a gush from your. Yo, everything, basically the boss I say, everything with the Draco spit out, I connect somewhere from your body. Everything you get. No joke.
In a twilight, no one regret.
Twilight.
This a wildlife, wake up on the set. Quack, get the vines, find no one for catch. Draco no fire blind, blood a gush from your flesh. Step, turn it in a twilight, no one regret. This a wildlife, wake up on the set. Quack, get the vines, find no one for catch.
Quack, catch it. Something about quack, me not catch a quack.
Not even 9 no man for step. Turn it in a twilight, no one regret. This a wildlife, wake up on the set. Quack, get the vines, find no one for catch. Draco no fire blind, blood a gush from your flesh. We're not afraid of people. We're not afraid of boy. And we not need no reason. Cause we not aim for sky.
Yeah, the bad chorus. We're not afraid of people. We're not afraid of boy. We don't need no reason. We're not aim to sky. Bad chorus. Clarity peak, man.
We don't need no reason.
No reason.
We not aim for sky.
No, shoot off a got foot bottom.
We not afraid of boy, no. All of my friends them
Evil men.
Bumble, count your years when the Draco and make nice. Looking at your mirror when you tap every red light.
Bumble clock. Malie dark in that one, you know. Malie dark in that one, you know. Malie dark. This is not the normal Malie where we normally hear the girl song, the man, the party, the fight, the feel good song. No, that one about
One place of fry.
Bumble, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 when the Draco and make nice. Looking at your mirror when you tap a heavy red light. Rest the blood clot, looking at your head side. Gunshot in a drive-thru, so I get fries. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿 when the Draco and make nice. Looking at your mirror when you tap a heavy red light.
Yo, be vigilant around you. Be vigilant around you. Looking at your mirror when you tap of every red light. Cause anytime you can get it in your face. Know that. Yeah.
𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿 when the Draco and make nice. Looking at your mirror when you tap a heavy red light. Rest the blood clot, looking at your head side. Gunshot in a drive-thru, so I get fries.
Rest blood clot, Glock on your head side. Gunshot take in a drive-thru, so not get fries.
Rest the blood clot, looking at your head side. Gunshot in a drive-thru, so I get fries. Oh, no, hear them, I go feel it. And everywhere me bring it. Me not trust a word them say them full of shit just like a chimney. When you see me.
Yo! Hear the flow, change, get flow.
Your head side, gunshot in a drive-thru, so I get fries. Oh, no, hear them, I go feel it. And everywhere me bring it. Me not trust a word them say them full of shit just like a chimney.
Oh, no, here you go feel it. And everywhere him bring it, them full of shit just like a chimney, chamber pot, piss pot. Yeah, peel. Yeah, them full of shit. Them full of shit.
Rest the blood clot, looking at your head side. Gunshot in a drive-thru, so I get fries. Oh, no, hear them, I go feel it. And everywhere me bring it. Me not trust a word them say them full of shit just like a chimney. When you see me, you don't see me. Dead face in a billy. To me, mother, this a matic and I make them kill your people.
We not afraid of boy. And we not need no reason. Cause we not aim for sky. We not afraid of people. We not afraid of boy, no. All of my friends, them evil. One place of fry.
A murderer will link with. We do the murder with the burner, we return it like a hinges. But by the a murderer will link with. We do the murder with the burner, we return it like a hinges. But by the rifle, I feel 6 bills. And anybody in a pants, I feel go get it, me no business.
You hear that? Him saying by the rifle for 6 bills, and anybody in a pants, I figure get it in no business. So him tell you say, anybody in a pants, mainly man wear pants. You have some woman will love wear pants too, but him say, oh, anybody in a pants, I figure get it in no business. You see me? So I mainly the G them, I mainly man him a kill. Earlier on him don't tell us say, him not believe nothing wanna say cause him not full of shit like a chimney, man.
But by the rifle, I feel 6 bills. And
6 bills.
in a pants, I feel go get it, me no business. Rise up in me, gear, press it in a yo. Pussy from your violate, everything I do. Tell a blood clot boy, say the cemetery I walk. Me a bang when time them say me fear walk.
The blood clot boy said the cemetery I walk. Me a bang when them say me fear walk. What?
Blood clot boy said the cemetery I walk. Me a bang when time them say me fear walk.
Send me for your walk, bullet you no send it for your shot. Jelly for your boss, them a figure say this thing a tough. Everything a done, trigger finger very vigorous. Ready for your just fireball in a head and in a gut. We not afraid of boy, and we not need no reason. Cause we not aim for sky. We not afraid of people. We not afraid of boy, no. All of my friends, them evil. One place of fry.
Bad song. My only critique for this song, cause me have to find a critique, but this one is a good one. My critique for this song is, me would have loved to see Demarco do a verse, and not just the chorus, do a verse. So Malie do first, Malie do first verse, Demarco chorus, Malie do second verse, and then we get a third verse. I'm just being greedy. We need a third verse from Demarco. So I think it should have been Malie, Demarco, then Malie again. With Demarco on the chorus and 1 verse. Malie get 2 verses. That's what I think. 3 verses you want from that song, yeah. Cause it's too bad. He 3 bad. He 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9, 10 bad. Yeah, he bad. Big up yourself, Malie. Big up yourself, Demarco. I never see that one I forwarded. Never see it forwarded. There you are. Me like it. Me like it. Bad collab. Good to see a seasoned artist, a veteran artist who done so much for the business, still put in the work and give young youth collab same way. You see me? So big up on yourself, Malie. Big up yourself. You see me? You've been putting in the work. You're very consistent with it. Demarco been consistent from day one. If he's not putting out songs, which he is behind the scene making rhythms and producing. So big up on yourself. Two bad artists. Big up the fans them. Be proud of the artists them. Bad. Anyway, this time I'm gonna leave the one, guys. If you enjoyed that one and want to see more, leave a like on the video. Remember the video what I'm gonna play earlier on. Check it out. You see me? And I will see you guys in the next one, man.